What's up guys? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a smooth zoom in effect on your Canva videos. This is a great way to highlight an important part of your video. Draw your viewers' attention to a specific area or simply make your content look more engaging. To get started, open your Canva project and add a video to your timeline. You can either choose one from Canva's video library or upload your own by going to the Upload tab and selecting your video file. Once your video is on the timeline, play it and pause it at the exact moment where you want the zoom in effect to begin. Taking a few extra seconds to choose the right timing will help make the effect look much smoother and more natural. After you found the right spot, right-click on the video and select Split Page. This divides your video into two separate clips. The reason we're doing this is so we can apply the zoom effect only to the second part of the video without affecting the beginning. Now, click on the second clip. Drag the corners of the video to resize it until the area you want to focus on becomes larger. You can also reposition the video so your chosen subject stays centered on the screen. This creates the zoom-in view that your audience will see. At this point, if you play the video, you'll notice that the zoom happens instantly. While it works, it doesn't look very smooth. To create a more professional looking animation, move your cursor between the two clips and click Add Transition. From the list available transitions, choose Match and Move. Canva will automatically animate the change between the two clips, creating a smooth zoom-in effect without the need for keyframes or advanced editing tools. Once you've applied the transition, preview your video to see how it looks. If the zoom feels too strong or too subtle, simply adjust the size or position of the clip until you're happy with the result. And that's it. You've successfully created a zoom-in effect in Canva. It's a simple technique, but it can make your videos look much more dynamic and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!